I've said it basically because if you see, the government had set up inquiry committee under Justice Jadhav. If you go through his report, he has clearly mentioned names of some of the notaries who, according to him, have connived with the landlords. So I just thought, since I had the privilege of being in the midst of lawyers, some of them were notaries, that I should appeal to them and request them, let us pull up our socks and ensure that we walk hand in hand to try and stop this land grab.
So those named, are they from South Goa?
So I'm not going to delve into from where they are. I'm not going to delve. I'm not going to even tell you their names. You lay your hands on Jadhav report and maybe you will find them. I'm not going to tell you. But it is a fact that without the connivance of notaries, you are not going to be able to do it. That is why even we have tried to tighten the nuts when it comes to succession deeds and those type of things.
So being a law minister, would there be any monitoring from the government side on these notaries who act as an assistant for this kind of illegal
We are going
activity?
to terminate their services.
So all those who are named in this...
I will terminate their service. The process is on. I will terminate their service.
Probably in next...
I don't know, but I will terminate. This is a commitment I am giving you. Because I believe a message has to go down.
Yeah, so that will be act as a deterrent, right? For those who are...
It will be a deterrent to the chap who has his head on his shoulders. To others, you may find some who carry them. We'll take care of them too.
So another Naveli sewage issue still that is pending. I think people are coming to you time and again.
People are coming to me. Here is a gentleman who has been coming to me to one of your colleagues. So we have just fixed a meeting on 17th, wherein we will take up the issue. I fixed a meeting with the MD of the corporation. We will try and resolve the issue.